Hi, I'm Adam Collins and I'd like to introduce today our new Level 8 Diploma in Sustainability of Manufacturing Systems. This diploma was motivated by a recent IBEC report highlighting that 9 out of 10 companies believe sustainability is a priority for their business. These companies are planning near-term initiatives to reduce environmental impact, meet regulatory requirements and address customer expectations. This diploma will equip students to excel in roles in this area. There are 4 modules in this diploma. Environmental science will cover the theory which underpins the causes of climate change and of how manufacturing emissions contribute to these negative effects. Environmental management for organisations will cover current and future regulatory requirements for businesses under EU climate law. Moving on to the manufacturing topics then, we have enterprise simulation for digital twinning, which deals with improving enterprise performance through creation of enterprise models. We will create what are called digital twins of manufacturing lines, where we take real-world data and create digital copies of the manufacturing line. Here we can find bottlenecks in the process and perform experiments to see how emissions from the manufacturing line can be reduced. Finally, design of engineering systems considers how a system which takes in energy, material and information and outputs a product can be designed within certain constraints. A key constraint of future engineering systems will be environmental constraints. The new diploma is called Sustainability of Manufacturing Systems. It is available at Level 8, or if you already have a Level 8 award, these modules are available as a Level 9 PG Cert in Key Enabling Technologies.